Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So we have Babai Mukherjee on our channel who has recently been placed in Accenture for a profile of advanced application development analyst profile, which is for a package of 10 lakhs, guys. So first of all, a very congratulations, Babai. So he is here to share
Thank
his
you.
complete experience with us, how he cracked, how he managed to study each and everything he'll be sharing. So all over to you. Yes, he is from March 2022. So yes, you can start, Bye.
First of all, thank you, ma'am. This exam was conducted on 3rd October, and after the assessment test, there was 90 question, and we have to do within the 90 minutes. And there was five sections. Out of the five sections, these sections are aptitude, quant, reasoning, verbal, English verbal, and pseudocode, and the last was Microsoft Office. So this section is very crucial because everybody prepared for the pseudocode, everybody prepared for the quant, reasoning, English, but they don't have any idea regarding this part. So it is basically easy to moderate level question, but you have to aware regarding the Microsoft Office, regarding the Excel, MS Excel, PowerPoint, MS Word. So if you cleared this after submitting your question within the 90 minutes, if you cleared their cutoff, so within the 2 or 3 minutes, max to max 5 minutes, they send you a mail or with that you are cleared the first round and you are welcome for the coding round. And after the cognitive round, there was two coding question and you have to done within the 45 minutes. So out of the two question, I would say the first question is very easy. So if you did the data structure and algorithm problem on gigs for gigs as well as lead code, so it would be very easy for you, and it is basic to easy level. The first question was, and the second question is also medium level. I don't say that it was very difficult. I also remember the question. So the first question was, there was a array, and in this array there was various number like even or odd. So they told that out of this array, find the all odd number and print the sum of the all odd number. So it takes max to max 2 to 3 minutes to read it, to do it. But and the second question was, there was a string, and inside this string you have to find the maximum number in between the string, in this string, not in the string, sorry. So there was some character, there was some integers, and as in the form of character, and you have to find the maximum number. Like if I say 1 2 3 Babai Mukherjee 10, so the output should be 10 because 1 2 3 is less than the 10 and Babai Mukherjee not an integer. So you have to print out the 10. So after submitting the two question, there was another round. So after submitting the question, they send again a mail that you have successfully participated in our coding assessment round, and in future we will further contact you in mail. And after 2 days, they send me a mail regarding the communication round. And I think this is a very crucial round because I saw lots of video on YouTube as well as from your channel also, that the candidates told that this is not a elimination round, but you have to remember one thing: all the stages are elimination round because the first round, the cognitive round, which was the mandatory round or compulsory round, you have to do this. But the coding assessment round, the communication round, the interview rounds, they after the whole process, they give you a number and a total number, and on the basis of this number you will be selected.
Correct.
So very round, very aware regarding the Microsoft Office because this was also a very important part. So um, For the communication round, I would like to tell you that please sit in a quiet place and please practice before you going to give this communication round, because there was various accents, like they told you to read the sentence, they told you to listen the sentence and repeat them, and the very difficult part was there was six section, A, B, C, D, and F,
Mm,
and in the fifth section they told you a story for 30 seconds, and you have to repeat this story. So, as I think, personally, I think, I don't tell you that this is the universal truth.
mm,
So, if anybody come from non-state board, like non English medium, so it is very difficult for them to listen the 30 seconds the story and repeat as well as they said. So the same they said. So I would like to tell that listen for 15 to 10 seconds first, because if they told you the whole story, you don't need to tell the whole story. And I think nobody can tell this, because this is very difficult. They told you in other accent, like a new story, and you have to remember and repeat within 30 seconds. So try to listen for the first 10 seconds very carefully, because it was the main part. And so after this was the totally communication part. So it is also a very crucial part, which depends in your selection, because if you don't give this communication part very well, so it would be difficult to for your selection. And after this communication part, they also send me a mail that, oh, thank you for participating in our communication part. We will further contact you via mail. And after 2 days,
mm,
uh, in West Bengal, ma'am, we all know that Durga Puja is the biggest festival, and they send me a mail that you have your interview on Saptami. Saptami means it was like 11th October something, 11th or 12th. So, so I totally missed this Saptami because of my interview, and they provide me two slots. One was Saptami 2 p.m. and one was Saptami 2:30 p.m. So I selected Saptami 2:30 p.m. and I started preparing myself that how to introduce, because the introduction part is the very crucial part that I think, and the resume also, because these, if you have a good a good resume, as well as if you prepare for the introduction part with confidence, so it makes your interview very easy. That I personally feel, because um, many of my friends had their interview 15 minutes, 20 minutes, but I started from 2:30 and I ended in between 7 to 8 minutes. It max to max 10 minutes, I think. When I started, the interviewer introduced himself, and I told him, thank you sir for introduce yourself and giving me this opportunity to represent myself in front of you. And I started introducing myself, and as well as I have a good resume, because I was selected previously at a company like All Metric Consultancy Private Limited for the SD role one, and I also mentioned this in my resume. I currently I'm doing an internship. I also mentioned this, and I have done a certification course from Udemy regarding the full stack web development. I did lots of question on the data structure and algorithm in Gigs for Gigs and Lead Code. So the interviewer didn't ask me any technical question. He, after introducing myself, he just asking me, the, how many family member you have, what your father did. So and after these types of question, he asked me that um, why, from where you get this opportunity that I have mentioned that I was selected. So I told them I applied on Naukri.com for this job role, and after they shortlisted my resume, they have taken my interview, and after they have taken my interview, they immediately within the two days they offer me for this role. And they told me that I have to join from office, and there was 2 year bond. So due to my academic career, I can't join them. And they also asked me regarding my internship that what technology we are using, and they don't ask me that how difficult, how many difficulties you face, how you are working in a team. I explained him stage. So the interviewer quite impressed, and he asked me one thing that tell me one situation where you have faced lots of failure in your life, and you overcome this. So I told my real life experience that whatever it was. So I told him my real life experience, and he quite impressed. And after that, he asked me, Baba, would you like to question me? Would you like to know anything, or have you any question? So I asked them that and the technology Accenture using. So what should I know if I join as a fresher? So they told me regarding that. So this was my total interview experience, and uh, at Dosomi, I think it was 15th of October, um, at around 11:30, 11:30 or 11 o'clock, they from our placement cell, they provide the list, and in between them there was 8 candidates, and I was also there. And this was my all whole experience regarding the Accenture, and that's it.
So thank you so much, Babai, that you shared your wonderful knowledge with us, starting from the examination, the aptitude one, then the coding explanation and interview part. So a few questions for the audience there who want to know. So basically, first thing is, like you said in interview part, were there any questions from projects? Because I think projects are one of the, very common questions which Accenture interviewers do ask.
Yes, ma'am. But I also see many videos
Hmm.
where they are asking the related to the project. But as I was mentioned, many things in my resume that I have worked with Node.js, React.js. I am using Angular as well. I am doing an internship where I am using for the associate front-end developer, where I am using the technologies like React, Node, MongoDB, and in past I was selected as a SD1, and there was many things that I secured rank 1 in 2016, um, in an entrance exam. So the interviewer asking me relate question related these things, which I was mentioned. And when the interviewer see the saw this the saw the technology I am using, I think he assumed that I know lots of things which was used in the real life project. So that's
Hmm.
why if I if I create a simple project using HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, and then I think they will definitely asking me that what was your role,
Hmm.
or but as I am working with a big project with an startup company,
Hmm.
so they had knowledge that a startup company will definitely don't give you the money giving or any without giving you or any work,
Hmm.
because it is a paid internship. So they also already had this knowledge that startup company is a company where the candidates or the employees had to have to knowledge regarding the
How did you prepare for the basic aptitude test? Because it's one of the very important, like, first, step which most of the people do not are not able to crack.
Ma'am, I started from the fourth year because Jadavpur University is a very good university where lots of companies visit for the placement, and we all we all candidates about this news. So we started preparing the apti, reasoning, verbal from the starting of our placement season. And the code, if I talking about the coding, so I started, yeah, I remember a question that the interviewer asked me, you are from power electrical department, so why would you here in the IT field? So I told him that sir, we all know that from the 2019 lockdown was started, and in West Bengal still lockdown is continuing. So there was many time to do lots of things. So instead of wasting this time, I was starting learning DSA. I was starting learning new technologies. I was starting learning certification course. So and you have to very confidence when you are talking about this. So interviewer मतलब उसको ये नहीं पता चलना चाहिए कि आप ऐसे ही बके जा रहे हैं. So these things you have to keep in your mind.
So I was saying, so now at which stage or level you are at documentation part?
As it was a on-campus process,
Hmm.
so the total offer letter or authorization will be happening or will be done from our placement.
Okay, that's something different because on-campus placement hiring is, I mean, very there is a very difference on, I mean, documentation part. Otherwise, the rest of the entire process and entire selection procedure is similar to this off-campus recruitment.
Yeah, man. In on campus also you have to submit your document as well as you have to verify your document. But uh, till the procedure is not started, I think it will be started because as it was on campus, so I'll be pass out into next year. So there is many time left.
Okay. So, Babai, last, I mean, do you want to share any sort of a special, I mean, tip or strategy to the people out there watching your video?
So I want to tell one thing that Accenture is a very good company that I think because the increment percentage or the salary they providing or the work culture. So if I talking about the first part or first assessment test, be prepared regarding the Microsoft Office because it was a very crucial part, as well as if I talking about the coding round, so don't be panic. It was very easy. Max to max, it would be very medium, not be difficult. And if I talk about the third round, which was the communication round, so prepare for this round because maximum students don't prepare for this round. So practice before you are going to give this round. And if I talking about the interview, so build a strong resume and be confident where you are when you are talking regarding your resume because they have your resume when they are taking your interview. Interviewer also asked me, Babai, you have done two coding question, and I told them yes, sir, I have done two coding questions, and they asking me in which language you have done. So I told them in C++. So after then, so aware regarding this that you have to also remember the question they asking in the coding round because they may ask you that tell the first question which you have done. So be confident and keep practicing and that's it, man.
Yes, correct. So the key takeaways, guys, from this video of Babai, who really, I mean, did well and cracked 10 LPA package. So yes, number one is like he's stressed. again and again on the resume part, then the practice part, which is the aptitude, the Microsoft, I mean the section which there are yeah, Microsoft Office, correct. So these are the key takeaways from this video where you need to focus majorly on. Plus, guys, start go to Google, just search things and start practicing. So I hope, I mean, the aptitude, like Accenture, it's not very tough. It's medium to easy level. So anyone, I mean, people who are, I mean, doing, have done their graduation can easily crack the first stage at least. So yes, these are the points to remember. Okay. So guys, we will be closing this video here itself. I think again, congratulations, Babai, for your immense knowledge you shared with us. Plus, all the best for your future journey with Accenture. That you clear the final semesters and the documentation part, each and everything, and your smooth journey with Accenture. And I hope you grow soon.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, guys. You can watch other videos. You can subscribe to this channel for the latest updates and for Accenture, TF around, and everything I've created videos. You can check out the playlist. Till then, guys, have a great day. Be safe. Take care. Bye.